Yoruba language is a system of multiplication, addition, and subtraction. It's like a trend of subtraction and majorly addition. So now let's go ahead to talk about the Yoruba language counting system. The first number of the Yoruba language is Okan, Meji, Meta, Merin, Márùn, Mẹ́fà, Méje, Mẹ́jọ, Mẹ́sàn, Mẹ́wàá, Mọ́kànlá, Méjìlá, Mẹ́tàlá, Mẹ́rìnlá, Mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún, Ẹ̀rìndínlógún, Ẹ̀tàdínlógún, Èjìdínlógún, Ọ̀kàndínlógún, Ogún. So now from here, this way it gets interesting. We say Ogun, which is 20. And then if you go further back at 15, 15 is Mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. And then 16 is Mẹ́rìndínlógún. And 16 is Mẹ́rìndínlógún. 17 is Mẹ́tàdínlógún. 18 is Méjìdínlógún. 19 is Ọ̀kàndínlógún. Then 20 is Ogún. And then 21 is Ọ̀kànlélógún. 22 is Èjìlélógún. 23 is Ẹ̀tàlélógún. 24 is Mẹ́rìnlélógún. 25 is Márùnlélógún. 26 is Mẹ́rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n. 27 is Mẹ́tàdínlọ́gbọ̀n. 28 is Méjìdínlọ́gbọ̀n. 29 is Ọ̀kàndínlọ́gbọ̀n. And then 30 is Ọgbọ̀n. Now, there's a trend in this that you might not have realized. So this is the system to actually understand the counting system of the Yoruba language, is to group those numbers in tens. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and then over 100. So now we have 10 is Mewa, we have 20 Ogun, and then from that 20, the system applies. Even before the 20, the system applies, but it applies from 15. Because 10 is Mewa, and 20 is Ogun, 30 is Ogbon, 40 is Ogoji, 50 is Adota. So now, from 20 upward, 21 is just, in English language, 21 is just 1 plus 1 and 20. That is 1 added to 20. That's how it is in Yoruba. 1 added to 20. 22 is 2 added to 20. 23 is 3 added to 20. 24 is 4 added to 20. 25 is 5 added to 20. Then 26 is 4 minus 30. 27 is 3 minus 30. 28 is 2 minus 30. 29 is 1 minus 30. And then 30, we have odd one. 30 is 30. Then 31 is 1 and 30. 32 is 2 and 30. 33 is 3 and 30. 34 is 4 and 30. 35 is 5 and 30. Then 36 is 4. 36 is 4 minus 40. 37 is 3 minus 40. So that's the trend in the Yoruba language. So that's why we have Ọ̀kànlélógún, and Ọ̀kàn is 1, which is Ọ̀kàn. I say 1, Ọ̀kàn, Méjì, Mẹ́ta, Mẹ́rin, Márùn, Mẹ́fà, Méje, Mẹ́jọ, Mẹ́sàn, Mẹ́wàá. So this is it. So now 20 plus 1, 21 in Yoruba language is Ọ̀kànlélógún, Ọ̀kànlélógún. The lé in between is addition. That is addition. Ọ̀kànlélógún. Èjì, 2 is 2 in Yoruba language. So 22 is Méjìlélógún. 3 is Ẹ̀ta. And then 23 in Yoruba is Ẹ̀tàlélógún. 4 in Yoruba is Mẹ́rin. 4 plus 20 is Mẹ́rìnlélógún. Márùnlélógún. 5 in Yoruba is Márùn. So Márùnlélógún is 25. And then now 26. 26 we now get back again. That is 4 minus 30. That's 26 in Yoruba. That's how they pronounce it. Mẹ́rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n. It's not now Márùnlé. It's Mẹ́rìndín. That's why I say it's progressed as counting, as addition, and then subtraction. So that's the system of the counting system of the Yoruba language. It's a system of addition and a system of subtraction as well. So now 26 is Mẹ́rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n. I said we should group them into tens. We have Mẹ́wàá, which is 10. We have Ogún, which is 20. We have Ọgbọ̀n, which is 30. So whenever you actually whenever you are counting the Yoruba number, it's an addition until they get to 5. So after 5, it becomes a subtraction. Just as I've explained the other time, that if you are going up to 30, you are in 20 and you are going up to 30, it will be 1 plus 20, 2 plus 20, which is 22, 3 plus 20, which is 23, 4 and 20, which is 24, 5 and 20, which is 25. But now in 26, it's not 6 plus 20, no, it now becomes 4 minus the next tens, which is 30. 4 minus 30, 3 minus 30, 2 minus 30, 1 minus 30, and then 30. So that's why we have a din in Yoruba means subtract. Din means subtract, and lé means addition. That is something is in addition. Lé, that's it in Yoruba. So that's why we have 21 as ọ̀kànlélógún, 22 méjìlélógún, 23 mẹ́tàlélógún, 24 mẹ́rìnlélógún, 25 márùnlélógún, 26 mẹ́rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n. It's not now márùnlé, it's mẹ́rìndín. That's why I say it's progressed as counting, as addition, and then subtraction. 27 is mẹ́tàdínlọ́gbọ̀n, 28 is méjìdínlọ́gbọ̀n, 29 ọ̀kàndínlọ́gbọ̀n, 30 ọgbọ̀n, and then now progressing again. 31 ọ̀kànlélọ́gbọ̀n, 32 èjìlélọ́gbọ̀n, 33 ẹ̀tàlélọ́gbọ̀n, 34 ẹ̀rìnlélọ́gbọ̀n, 35 àrùnlélọ́gbọ̀n, then 36 again. 40 is ogójì, 36 mẹ́rìndínlógójì, 37 mẹ́tàdínlógójì, 38 méjìdínlógójì, 39 ọ̀kàndínlógójì, then 40 ogójì, and then going ahead 41 ọ̀kànlélógójì, 42 èjìlélógójì, 43 ẹ̀tàlélógójì, 44 ẹ̀rìnlélógójì, 45 àrùnlélógójì, and then now 46, the next 10 is 50, which is àádọ́ta. 46 ẹ̀rìndínláàádọ́ta, 47 ẹ̀tàdínláàádọ́ta, 48 èjìdínláàádọ́ta, 49 ọ̀kàndínláàádọ́ta, and then 50 àádọ́ta. So that's just the system of the Yoruba language, and then you can just keep adding this to the next things that you have till you get to 100, and then you get to whatever it is that you want to pronounce. And then now, so let me just give us a rundown of the things that we have in the Yoruba language. So we have 60 ọgọ́ta, 60 is ọgọ́ta, and we have 70. 70 is àádọ́rin, and 80 is ọgọ́rin, 90 is àádọ́rùn, and 100 is ọgọ́rùn. 100 is ọgọ́rùn. Then if it's 101, that means ọ̀kànlélọ́gọ́rùn, èjìlélọ́gọ́rùn, ẹ̀tàlélọ́gọ́rùn. So that's how it goes. And then we have 200. 200 is igba, and then we have ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. Ọ̀ọ́dúnrún, that's 300. 400 is irinwó. 400 irinwó. 500 is ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀ta, and then 600. 600 is ẹgbẹ̀ta, that's 600 ẹgbẹ̀ta, and then 700 is ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀rin, that's 700 ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀rin. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀rin 700, and 800 is ẹgbẹ̀rin. 800 is ẹgbẹ̀rin, and 900 is ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀rún, and then we have 1000, which is ẹgbẹ̀rún. So that is it for the counting system of the Yoruba language.